Alright, so check it out. The Pissed Off Barber. My very first set of legit clippers. I've already got some Supreme trimmers. I've had them for years, so I didn't see the need to get another set, but we'll open these bad boys up. Here's the reveal. Damn, son. Like, legit everything. Base, clippers. Probably won't use that. Yeah, maybe I will. Guards, screwdriver. Man, this is legit. This is wow. Yeah, guys, these are quality. Oh yeah. You know, I was gonna zero gap these. I still might. I don't know if I'm gonna now. I did also purchase this additional blade. This is the chunk blade. Not sure when I'll use it, but I have it because I'd rather have it and not need it than need it and not have it, guys. I'll do a follow-up video. So yeah, got the chunk blade as well. I will do a follow-up video to let y'all know what I think with a haircut done without the chunk blade, just the exo that comes with it. But yeah, these are the real deal. Great purchase. If you're on the fence, don't be. Get them. Well, let me cut hair first and we'll see how that goes.